Lost my motherfucking heater, bro. Nigga cut the big toe off one of my motherfucking animals, bro. Then I forgot to me cut my big toe off the way. Put this shit right behind me, right? So as America grows and as I grow and connect to the land, niggas just what? Kill and promote more fear. Therefore, what? My animals and that was what? Just a part of my plasma energy state. And then what my heart being a heater, right? So that means what they would just take what I would have, right? America would give me to what create and help everybody love, right? So they just take that and break and kill that shit off at distance. Then after they do the dumbass shit that Illuminati broke down to y'all in their video, that I broke down to y'all in previous videos, that what destroys your connection with the four phases of matter and the heater, right? But they didn't even fuck with that shit, and that devil fucking with electricity amongst what I was experiencing, so that tells you what right there. They got off on taking something from I when I told niggas you can use a heater to remove the fear, but never use that shit to against someone that's fighting the fear for people, and then you using that shit to create more fear. Once your candy ass type of ass fucking nigga, what? I'm telling y'all, my nigga. Don't let nobody fuck with you sexually, cause that could kill you. Your flesh, right? So what? Basically, nigga telling y'all, fuck the planet, fuck the kids, fuck nature, fuck life, fuck everybody. Destroying my connection with my mama, placing my face off on a clone, and just like how y'all see Joker on lips and mouth, trying to make my do this to me on clones and shit. They're therefore destroy what? Like Illuminati said, the eyes are the seed of the soul. You can see a motherfucker for one where they are an angel or a devil. But not in the meaning the word devil, but now you understand it. These people never give a fuck about me. The ones that had attacked me and or the other niggas, they just went pure hate and they're ready to live off of a motherfucker on some faculty shit. Because, bro, that shit is crazy when niggas come at you for your soul and shit. And then your animals, then what? Everything connected to you, they already explained that shit. And they just got off on killing my motherfucking animals and killing what the fuck me and my mom was working for. And therefore, you get the other motherfucking thing, like I told you. Heater deals with your plasma energy state to kill my shit. Fuck my four phases matter, my crown chakra. Cut my teeth out on the cone. My sister teeth off. Stomp them bitches out and on everything. And hit her with a hammer on my soul. And down to the basis about how I lost the heater. Niggas went against me and niggas got heaters, right? Niggas took some shit I was teaching everybody what to remove fear and what they use what niggas give, create for elevation and removal of fear. They just use that shit for degradation, devastation, unelevation, and promote more fear. So you ask yourself, is that love AJCE? Or that's NP? Greed, really, just like what? Illuminati told us. Use the motherfucking nigga, take my hands on my headlights, motherfucking animals, bro, chakra and shoulders and shit. Therefore, you get what? The re-engineers of some gay shit. Yes, he was fucked with too, bro. Like how I was. Therefore, that agrees you get the stabbing behind on the clones. Therefore, you get what? The moments when me and America would take out the animal, meaning transcendent animals, you feel what I'm saying? So therefore what? Thank you to the great to help me remove this fear. So y'all, my nigga, let's talk about motherfucker. I'm the first person to give me a heater and I was using it right to protect and what do what I was doing now, right? When we got the other crib, right? So what? Therefore that just shows y'all putting my animals off on the hands, and the ankles, comb, the crib, fuck if you're in the vehicle doing the same thing in the eye and the cribs, the tie in the vehicles. Therefore what? They already revealing themselves, my nigga. Matrix, the agents, and especially we gonna talk all of that shit. By cutting me off at the shoulders on the clone.